what do you think about Fan Club actually helped? You know, could you list, I don't know, 3 or 4 things that
Everything.
you found particularly?
Yeah, like I said to you, I think I replied to someone on one of the groups the other day that I just don't think that you are aware of what you don't know. Somebody had asked, why do I feel like I'm getting worse? I felt good at the beginning. Now I feel like I've gotten worse. I think it's like that with any new thing that you try to learn. You think, oh, this is really easy, I'm good at it. And then as you realize actually what it takes, it becomes a little bit overwhelming. I think within face painting as an industry, there's no kind of like standardized teaching or regulatory body that says you need to know this to be allowed to be a professional face painter. And there's a lot of content, like we're bombarded with content every day online. Where do you start? And I think for me, FAM Club gave like a structured methodology to learn to face paint. So you build on skills, like when you learn a new language, you learn like a noun, and then you'll learn a colour that goes with that noun. So you might learn the word for apple, red apple, green apple. So it's like, okay, now we're going to learn this, how to do this line, and then this line is going to form part of a muzzle. And we're going to learn this stroke, and that's going to form part of this design. So it gives you like the basic tools. And I can't look back now at the work that I did when I wasn't aware of what I didn't know without being like, oh God, that's awful. How was I thinking that that was good? Because it's opened my eyes to tips and tricks that's helped me be faster as well. There's so many kind of, like when you did that thing where you start with the brush in the corner of the mouth and flick up using the like contour of the face for a muzzle. That was genius. Like, why did I not know that? And it's helped, and it makes everything look more finessed. Yeah, I just think that methodological approach kind of is massive. And being in a community, because there is a massive fear of the blank page when you want to practice. You sit down and you're like, what do I paint today? It holds you accountable and it inspires you, because every week there's a new theme. You're not having to sit and think, what do I want to learn? And it's nice having other people that share your interests and like-minded community and support. Like everybody loves a like on their picture. That side of things, like making friends through FAM Club, has been really nice for me. And that Thursday paint, I really look forward to it, and I look forward to seeing everyone. And it's really silly, and it wasn't like, I didn't expect that to happen from it, but I've really enjoyed like making friends. And like there's a couple of people from FAM Club that like I message outside of the group now, like on social media and stuff. Yeah, so that is an unexpected bonus, is making lots of new friends. And also things like suppliers, face paint suppliers, where to buy products. There isn't a bad reason about being in FAM Club. There isn't a negative to it. Just do it.